Hey guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and we're just here at our workshop in Rotherham, and I thought I'd give you a little video, see what we do, show you the little jobs we got in. We've always busy place in the workshop. I've got the demonstrator and I can't help tweaking and making things a bit different, so I'm just putting some lithium on this so I can show people how good the lithium setup is. It does come with lead acid and you can upgrade to a lithium package, and I'm just about to put a 300 amp lithium battery system in, and it really will make this van incredible. You'll be able to forget about being off grid constantly. You know, you don't have to worry about it. Your fridge will always be on, your electric will be on. It's amazing upgrade. You see me outside in the car park, we've got vans queuing up waiting to come in for conversion. We're heavily into the medium wheelbase now, and so we've got quite a lot of them booked in. I think we're right through to about March or something like that at the minute. So if you're wanting one for next summer, you best get in quick, because our order books do fill up fast. And one of the things is we've got the first show starting in January in Kenilworth. So 17th to 19th down at the Stoneleigh showground down there. And that's a great indoor show. It's free as well, so that's nice. And while the frost is on, it's an indoor show. It's a lovely show. So if you come into a workshop, let's squeeze around this way. So we've got some of the Scudos in build as well. So this one's sold, and this one's sold. We've got a grey one in build as well. So this is going to be a new demonstrator or stock van for the Scudo. So you can literally buy this one, what's actually in build right now. We've got the furniture laid out here. This is about to go into that van, so lots happening. And as you see behind me, we've got the medium wheelbase. One of the medium wheelbases in build at the minute. You can see how much we're getting in the Scudo. So it's a nice little build. It's yet to have the windows and the roof put on. And then we've got another medium wheelbase on the ramp. That's just about nearly finishing, that one. So that'll be finished quite soon. And next to it is a high top version. So it's our first L2 H2. So that's going to be exactly like the medium wheelbase, but it's not going to have the elevating roof or the roof bed. It's simply a two berth option. Now you can have that height with a pop top on to give you even better. So you can have a full stand-up van, nice and warm, and if you need that extra set of beds, then you can have I think it's an ATEC pop top we use. And there's a video out soon with that on, so look out for that video on our YouTube playlist, and you'll see the difference between with or without the high top. Another medium wheelbase in production, so like I say, these are coming in thick and fast now, the medium wheelbases. A nice set of seats. Somebody's gone for the same seats. There's been a few different designs already. A few of them's gone out, and we've had some beautiful colours in seating material. This customer's chose the same as the demonstrator in the medium wheelbase, which is a lovely build, but you can tweak it and change these little things yourself. So that always works well. And then if we come down here into the workshop, you'll see, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, etc. Check out the website for further details. We've got a few new things at the unit at the minute. We've got a new forklift, and then trying to hide my bike over there. Don't scan round and see that, but I get told off for having that. But then we've got a new CNC machine as well. So we're always pushing technology and up in our machines. I'm a great believer in new machinery and the quality work a good machine can put out. This is a 10x5 bed, so we can get an absolutely enormous one-piece flooring in some vans and a one-piece roof as well in some of them as well. And then we've got the edge banding over there. Lots of old machinery, big table saws. And there's John in the corner working away. He's our woodworking expert, and he's not going to look up because he don't want to be on camera. But as you can see, it's a busy workshop. We've always got plenty on, and if you want to come and see the workshop, you're welcome to come and see us here at Rotherham. Give us a call, drop us an email, things like that, or come and see us at the show in Kenilworth, the first one in January.